So we're live on site right now, trying to install this gate. So successfully stand the gate, and the carpenter is currently doing his work, making the pillars ready for casting. So work is ongoing. Managing a site is not easy. There are so many things, so many ups and downs, and I'm going to be walking you guys through it. You see it, you see the things we go through in the site. Started this building from foundation till now. See this other part. Everything ready. What's up? So everything ready here. How to install foldable gates. Currently installing. You need to hang one first. Hooked.
Small thing like five.
Then you plumb it. They plumb, Tabi?
Something like ties.
Ties there, breakable ties for you. See how
Carry this one, come.
we know we put the ties before we put them.
You put in carbon for laughing.
And see the second part. This side,
this one, this side. This one, I mean.
Hey! If you don't chop too much in coffee, don't hear here. Don't like this.
This is the one. You go stand down like this now. No. Stand in here now.
You go stand down now.
No, you go fit. Okay. Come. Can I go back? Look at this one, being outside. Outside. Now stand down straight like that. Can't do that thing where you do for this one.
You open this small one,
Okay.
Carry that thing, just carry that thing, don't carry and put it.
Hey, sorry.
No, nah, this bamboo.
Huh?
Open.
See this bamboo. No, see this bamboo.
Okay.
No, handle the whole hand. You see this one, the word that come here, say this thing, no, the gate small. You go wait.
You gonna get back new one, Yashi?
Yes.
Small parking, that's the other one.
But I want me to look more so that when we pack them, we put them carry them off. No worry, now when we pack them, just try and make it come more. Can you laugh more? I bet if I want this thing come,
You go need hammer for this door. We need hammer. Open this thing first. Open this thing.
come out.
Who they come out?
Come out.
Where the binding wire? This back here. When I bring bamboo now. Bamboo there. When I hold them. Huh? No. No, I never put. Bamboo.
Just support them. In case no.
Hold them.
I don't hold them. Don't.
You see this? You go break wall there. You see this pillar supposed shift come back small. You did them like say the pillar supposed shift come back. Be they okay?
They will return them now. They will return them small now because of once one make this one enter, it will stand.
Okay.
If you draw
the ash. Now this side, unless it will come for this one.
Because of the open. If you know do and make him there one right, the thing you get to know the day free.
No, that thing if it falls.
See what you do. Okay. No, drag the ash.
Good morning, sir. Hey! You don't enter.
Where the parking there?
So we've successfully hung the gate. Trying to plumb the gates to get the actual measurements.
Huh? No, they come out and they put to that thing will follow you there.
Those gates are supposed to more show. Supposed to boom him if you tear it down, I go to see you. I can now lend their access and we'll not do who won't have you.
Okay. Tanka.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I go teach me.
Before you go hear this language,
So we had to increase the level of this, the bottom of the gate, so that in future time when they fix this road, it won't affect this one. So we have to take up the bottom of the gate. We have to take it up to have a good height for it because of future purpose.
You like no day. Now, to be not safe for like this in there, but not to make it come out. Alors, tu t'en. De quelle part? Il cabate à tuer Boucher. Non, il y a pas. You know, it's a dry junction. I don't know what is the car no.
So you tie it with a binding wire, tie the hooks, make it firm. After plumbing, get it
Talata.
Gate successfully installed. Just casting now. We're about to begin casting. So, good job. Got. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. So, casting is ongoing. Men of action.
You don't do. You never do. Guy. Don, I swear I don't know say that you did here. I don't even know time when you come here. Me?
More than. This side, this side. Huh?
The opening, Nabi.
And this from the pillar.
Moving forward. So after casting this place half, then we'll move to this other pillar and cast half. Then before proceeding. So this is the level. This is the level.